Hello friends, how are you all today? Welcome to Grandma's Tales, one more episode. In the last episode, we discussed about how to live a good, happy life irrespective of the three P's, that is power, position and paisa. We discussed that if you keep a simple smile on your face and greet people with that smile on your face, that could change your life. Okay, today we are continuing with that. Today's topic is talking. Do you really talk? See, there are so many people around you, your children, your spouse, your family members, your relatives, your parents, your grandparents. So many people are there. Find little time to talk to them, because there are people who really wish to get some listeners, especially the elderly people. They really love to talk to somebody who actually listens to them. So, find some time for small talks. Spend some time with your elders. Definitely, this is going to help you. Again, you don't have to pay for this. This is all free of cost, which you can do yourself to live a happy life. Am I right or not? Just try this simple method. Keep smiling, greet people with a smile, talk to the people openly, sit with them for some time. Definitely, the power position and paisa you don't need here. It doesn't value here actually, right? This is the tip I am giving today. We'll continue with another tip next week. Now I am moving forward to the Ramayana tales, which you all know that Grandma's tale is divided into three parts. First part is Design Your Life, Sky is Not the Limit. Second part is Ramayana tales, and third part is the activities of kids. So, moving forward to Ramayana tales. In last episode, we saw that Sri Rama, Sita Devi and Lakshmana left the palace, Ayodhya Puri, and reached the river bank of Tamasa, and Sri Rama asked Sumandra to mislead the Prajas. They reached the bank of river Tamasa at night time, and Sri Rama definitely knew that if the people get up in the morning and see Sita Devi, Sri Rama and Lakshmana there, they will not allow them to leave Ayodhya Puri. So Sri Rama took the decision and they moved forward to the bank of Ganga Nadi, Ganga river. And next morning, people woke up from their sleep and found that the Sri Rama, Lakshmana and Sita Devi, they are not there. So sadly crying, they went back to Ayodhya Puri. And here, Rama, Lakshmana and Sita Devi reached the Ganga Tiram, and Sumandra also went back from there. Here onwards, our second line of the shloka, Purvam Rama Tapovanadi Gamanam, that is the first line. Second line, Hatva Mrigam Kanchanam, starts from here. Hatva Mrigam Kanchanam. What does it mean? Hatva means killed, Mrigam means animal, Kanchana means golden color. So somebody killed a golden color animal. So that is what we are going to find out, who killed the golden animal. Before that, we will see what Sri Rama, Lakshmana and Sita Devi did on the banks of river Ganga. They met Sri Rama's childhood friend Guhan. Guhan is a person who lives in the forest. Otherwise, he is the Nishada king. And when Sri Rama saw Guhan and Sri Rama's childhood friend hugged him. Here, Ramayana gives you a beautiful message that during the time of Ramayana, every person were equal. Sri Rama treated everyone equally. Guhan was his childhood friend and very dear to him. So he decided to stay the night with Guhan. Guhan said, "Hey Deva, don't leave. You can stay with me. How many years you want to stay? You can stay with me, but don't leave. Stay with me, please." Guhan was begging to Sri Rama, but Sri Rama said, "Listen, dear friend, I am doing this for my father, to keep the word I gave to my father. I cannot live with anybody for next 14 years. I can't eat from anywhere. I have to survive what I get from the forest. So, you please bring the watered Kshiram." So, he brought all these things. He tied his hair like sannyasis do, tied the knot, and at night on the bed laid with leaves, Sri Rama and Sita Devi slept while Lakshmana was guarding them. That was the duty of Lakshmana for the coming 14 years, to safeguard his elder brother and sister-in-law. And Lakshmana will not eat anything also. He won't sleep, he won't eat during these 14 years, because towards the end we will come to know what is the reason. Okay. While they were sleeping, Lakshmana was guarding them. Guhan was very sad. He said, "Look at Sri Rama and Sita Devi, who are used to the palatial treatment, who used to sleep on their soft bed in the palace. Look at them." Here, Lakshmana is saying, because in the previous chapter we discussed the advice Sri Rama gave to Lakshmana, that these things happens in life. Take everything positively. This was the advice Sri Rama gave to Lakshmana, remembering that Lakshmana was advising Guhan that, see, whatever the condition may be, you have to accept it happily. Don't blame others for what you are going through now, because this has to happen and it is happening. Be happy in all situations. One more very philosophical advice Lakshmana is giving to Guhan here. Stay calm and happy all throughout your life, whatever may be the trouble. And here we are going through the corona, so many difficulties we are having, but stay calm and composed and do whatever you have to do to survive. Okay, we will continue in the next episode. I am moving forward for my kids' activity. So many people talk to me that it is very hard to manage a 3 years old. If a 3 years old is around you and this is the corona time, you cannot move out frequently. But I said, we have to find out a solution for that also, no? because whatever nature is giving to us, it's not in your hand. But what you can do is in your hand. Okay, you can play with the child. You can take him out. You can travel in a car. Take the child out for a drive. Show him the nature. Show him the animal. You can sit in your vehicle itself and show him around. Just see what I am doing with Mivan, my grandson, how I introduce him to the animals.
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, Swiss afternoon. The Mary went, Mary went, Mary went. The lamb was sure to go. The made the children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. The made the children laugh and play. The sweet lamb was slow.
What is this?
Yes,
What is this?
അത് ഗ്രാസിലും നടക്കുന്നത്
Yeah, it's walking on grass. What is this?
അത് മണ്ണാണ് മണ്ണ്.
Yes, mud. It's walking on mud. And what is it eating? What is it eating?
Grass.
Grass. Yes. Little lamb is eating grass. Right? Right, Mivu?
അപ്പൊ അങ്കിളിന് പോവാൻ പറ്റില്ല.
No, uncle cannot go. Little lamb is eating grass.
അങ്കിള് എവിടെയാ പോണേ?
Uncle is with little lambs, no?
Sheep. Play. Me.
What is the color of that sheep?
That is black.
Very good. It's talking to you. You talk. How are you, Choikyu?
How are you? He's not talking.
He is talking. Yes, of course he is talking.
Talk like do it. Come on.
Do me. Do me.
To me.
കണ്ട teeth കാണിക്കുന്നുണ്ട് വ്യൂവിന്.
Goat. Play me.
Talk to me പറയൂ.
Talk to me.
Talk to me.
Go talk to me. Me.
നീ ചെയ്യ അപ്പൊ അവര് സംസാരിക്കുന്നു.
Me. Me. അത് കഴിക്കാനോ ഗ്രാസ്? അത് കഴിക്കാനോ അത്?
That is what about the child's activity this episode. We will see next week. Till then, tata, bye bye. Keep like, share, comment and subscribe Grandma Tales, because all the children who are part of Grandma Tales needs your blessings, needs your support, just for the happiness. Please like, share and subscribe for the happiness of the children who are taking part of it. I will meet you next week with more interesting messages and topics. Till then, keep loving, stay with me. Tata, bye bye.